Hey guys, welcome back to Weekenders on the Water. Today we're here at Fort Hammer Boat Ramp on the Manatee River, and today we're gonna head out to the inlet of Tampa Bay. We're gonna meet up with some friends at Egmont, have a grill out. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so Glo said we're here in the good old Manatee River?
Yeah, Manatee River.
Okay, cool. So it's been a nice, like, chill ride out on the boat on the river. So, as you know, we are usually slapping it when we are in the boat. But it's nice to kind of be chill for a minute. So, that said, we're going to head on over, I think, to Egmont Key. And then, I don't know where else we're going to go. But make sure you guys are subscribed because we do have a group ride coming up. So make sure if you want to come ride with us that you follow us and we'll give you guys more details on that. Yeah, that'll be on the jet skis. But if you have a boat and you want to come see us on the boat, that's cool. Like, we'll love boats. It's fine. Yeah, it'll be a good time.
Yeah, and it is a nice ride out here through the river. The weather was looking better this week, and I think it's still going to hold out. We'll see. But if it's calm enough, then it shouldn't be too bad getting through the inlet. But that inlet can get rough pretty quick. You know, more so not even just from the wind, but also from just the tides. You know, honestly, that's one place where I typically lack in my boating prowess is I almost never check the tides. So it's going to be a surprise. We'll see what it's like.
The tide really isn't that bad in the jet skis, but in the boat, I think we have to pay more attention to it. But it's just really shallow out there. You know, like 1 foot in parts of like the bay. So.
Well, it's you know, as the tides change, it pulls all that water out of the bay, and that's, you know, gets a lot of current. But yeah, we're getting there. Still got a ways left to go. It's kind of a bit of a long ride down the river, but wanted to have a kind of an easy, smooth ride in the morning, and then also I kind of like coming up the river in the evening because then it's fresh water and we don't have to worry about cleaning the boat quite as much or cleaning the skis. Still going to give it a thorough cleaning, but I feel like I just have to worry about it a little less. All
right, guys. So we have made it through the bridges. Now, right over there is the Palmetto boat launch ramp thing spot, and it's really nice. Ramp. Usually I hear on the weekends it gets pretty packed, but we actually launched out of there a few weeks ago with some of our friends. I'll link the video down below where we lost the Insta 360. So it's a quick video, but it's nice. So we saw a beautiful sunset, so it kind of made it worth it. Anyway, out that way, out all the way there, where you kind of can see all the way where the white boats are. That's the bay. So that's where we're gonna go. So we also saw some dolphins last time we were in this part of the river, so maybe we'll see some of those guys. We saw manatees last time we were out, so you know, it's just great to be Christine. Did you bring the sea scooter?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, we brought the sea scooter today, so we'll take that out. That'll be fun. And we'll zip around, and if you see something cool, we'll show you guys. And if not, well, sorry. Probably love this sometime. All right, tally-ho. Leo's out here driving this boat like he's Mr. Magoo. Good Lord. He's popping all over the place. Too soon, but it looks pretty flat and chill today, so might not be a bad ride all the way out there. We made it. Anchor's in, no one died. Good times. That actually might be Danny and Khalil. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see.
All right, guys, so we got all set up here at Egmont Key. See the lighthouse is somewhere there behind me. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Look at the water quality today. Still haven't experienced much rain, so we still got beautiful water, crystal clear. Crew is rolling in. A lot of the folks from the Bahamas Challenge and everything. We got Khalil over there in his AR 250 boat. That's a nice boat. We're gonna hang out, you know, have some lunch and everything, just have a nice chill day. Sunshine Skyway Bridge in the distance is beautiful out here. About everybody's out here. We got the green Waves RX anchors there, anchor lines. Oh, what's this off the front of the boat? Oh, it's a Waves RX bungee line. Oh, what's that over there holding in Danny's ski? Let's check it out. That's a Waves RX bungee line too. He's got the tri-anchor holding it down. So yeah, Waves RX is definitely the products you want to use. So go down and check them out. Go to www.wavesrx.com/WOTW. Use our promo code WOTW15. Save 15% off of anything from the Waves RX store. Obviously, it's what we all use. It's the best product on the market. Check it out.
All right, guys, we are back on the boat. We're gonna head over to Passage Key. So I've been told the water is even more beautiful there, if it could get any more beautiful. And we're gonna hopefully hang out there. Let's go. And yes, we have deflated the hammock thing here. Oh well. There is a shark right there. Oh, there's a shark. Oh.
Do they bite?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we are here. We made it to Passage Key. We are set up with a lot of our, well, like a million of our friends. It's great. So, fun fact, if you don't know now, you know. Sometimes Passage Key can be a little noodly, and we'll just leave that there. You guys can decide what that means for yourself. So, yeah, we made it. We're here. Woohoo!
We have live bait. That's how.
Our man's out here fishing, and the fish just took his rod. He had to jump off the boat to go get it. So we'll see what he's got here. Yeah, what is that? I don't know what that is. He's mean. No, he's got some teeth on him though.
Yeah, he does. He'll bite.
I see something in the water. Looks like a stingray. And we're gonna go see. You guys are gonna come with me? Because you have to. Okay. It's like right there in the water. Oh, let's go around. It's not moving. It might be something laying like a rock or something. Because that would be my luck. I'm starting to think it's a rock. Maybe it's a stingray. Yeah, definitely. I don't know what the heck that is. It's like a mooring ball or something. That was lame. All right, Lewis is gonna fly the drone, so put those shots in now. So yeah, enjoy that. Hopefully we see something fun in the water, like a shark. Okay, thank you. Go find a shark for me. Thanks, Brian.
Yeah, so shout out to Brian for cooking the chicken and Khalil for having the grill on the boat. Nice. Brian's a heck of a cook. This is good.
Love you guys.
All right, guys, so we had an amazing day out at the sandbar. Always a great time hanging out with our friends. Food was amazing. Good times were had by all. But yeah, absolutely beautiful day out here. So now we're just gonna head on right back up the inlet here, back to the Manatee River. It should be about the end of the day. So we'll get some more shots on the way up back to the boat ramp. So let's go.
Let's go. I have SPF 32.
All right. Today we're gonna head on out to the inlet to the yeah. Didn't it? Just watch out, the anchor's there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. You're gonna.
All right, guys, so we got all set up.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. All right, guys. Honey, are you okay? You almost ate.